Welcome to this Solid Edge podcast, bringing you quick and easy tips and tricks from the experts. Opening large assemblies in most 3D CAD systems offers its own set of challenges, such as memory management and display performance. Fortunately, Solid Edge has many large assembly tools built in, so you can easily work with large amounts of data. Here's a couple that will save you time and frustration. While you may need to open a top-level assembly, you may not always need to display the whole assembly. Solid Edge allows you to open parts inactive to save memory, and uses display configurations which allow you to choose a predefined select set of parts. But if you open the file without choosing any of these options, the whole assembly will be loaded in most systems. In Solid Edge, if you press the escape key anytime the assembly is opening, your assembly stops loading and only displays the parts loaded into memory so far. The complete assembly structure is loaded, so you can simply select the parts you want to work on and ask Solid Edge to display those parts as you require, saving system resources and reducing frustration by not making you wait for your assembly to load unnecessarily before you can start working. To learn more, visit us at solidedge.com or call your local channel partner.